Okay? So now we go to question 2. Calculate distance to the separate line. Can you try now? I'm not asking for volunteer because I think this is easy. So try to calculate at least one distance. How about this one? What distance? 1, 3, right? 1, 3. This is what 1, 3 here. 1, 3. This point, right? So maybe just point here. 1, 3. This is 1, 3. The distance. Right here. Is W dot W1, W2, 1, 3 plus B W 2 0, right? So this is equal to so for midterm exam, so this is enough. You do not need to calculate the final score.
Oh, really?
Okay? And then how to calculate the distance of this point to the separated line? You just replace 1, 3 with 3, 2, right? 3, 2. We finish, right? Okay? So now, how about this one? What is my SVM margin?
2 by
Which is 2?
2 by W norm.
Finish, right? This actually is, you do not need to calculate. I just want to show you square root. So this is the margin. Because you ask them W, right? So then you can exactly calculate what is exactly the size of the margin. And if you do not believe this is larger than the margin, you can try different line. You calculate margin, you find out you can get a margin that is larger than this one. Yeah.
It's 10 by 13 or minus 10 by 13?
10 over 13. 2 over 13.
Positive.
Positive or negative? Which one?
Positive.
It doesn't matter anyway.
No, you got confused with that. I guess, yeah.
No.
It looks like minus, that's why.
Which one is minus?
It's minus 10 by 13.
That's your bracket. They taught you bracket.
So that is a bracket, but it seems like minus.
The 10 over 13.
It's a fair, like.
Your W1.
Never mind, that's not
10 over
true.
13.
This one?
Yeah, no, that one.
Just under. Below.
Yeah, they think that's a negative. The bracket.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. That's fine. Any questions? You're very welcome to ask because
it's like unless you visualize, unless you visualize in the graph, it's not possible to determine like which is the SVM, which is the line, right? So
because
you have to plot.
Because you know W, you know B, right?
Yeah.
So and also the distance is generic, right? You have a generic formula, right? Then you just plug in this one, you can calculate. You can calculate. If you want to visualize, then 3, 2, right? So what is 3, 2? 3, 2, here, right? So the line, this line is here, right? You see? So then the distance looks like this. Right? This distance.
But that will be given always, right?
Sorry?
I mean, we can assume that this will be given in the exam. Like, you'll draw the picture for it.
I will draw this for you.
Okay.
You need to draw a line by yourself.
Yeah.
Okay? For example, right, you need to draw a line like this. But again, right? So in order to calculate distance, that does not matter, right?
Yeah.
Right?
That's fine.
But if you want to visualize, then yeah, you need to draw the line. Oh, this is a line. And then this is a distance.
Yeah.
Right? Any question? And then, next question. Find the equations to represent the space for positive class and the space for negative class. What is space for positive class? Space.
Distance. This value is no.
Which is any x to satisfy w or x plus b equals 0. Right? You follow? Right? The set of all x that satisfy this is positive. Right? And you find out this actually is the space. This space. And then space for negative space for negative class. Which is nx w dot x plus b, which is this class. Okay? Last one. So then try, right? So please calculate what are class labels of these 4 points. Then in this then you need to calculate. I mean it's positive and negative. So please try now, right? Because same question will be tested for different points in midterm exam, right? You need to at least because in practice, right, if you apply a library, Python library for SVM, you get a positive class. You need to know why it returned positive. It's because, this is how you need to calculate by yourself. Okay? So tell me these 4 points, which are positive, which are negative. I already here. So then how about 3.2, 3.5?
Negative.
W dot, which is 10, 13, 2, 13, 3.5 minus 47 over 3. What's this value here?
It's positive.
Because 30, 40, right?
5 by 2.
Minus.
It's 13.
Oh, sorry.
Because 10,
13, it should be, yeah.
40, right?
47 by 13.
47 by 13, like the B value, like 13 should be
Oh, 47
by 13.
by 13, okay. Then this is minus 7, 13, right?
Negative.
It's because, right, this is less than 0. That's why we predict the class of this point should be minus 1, negative. Okay, how about this one? 5.3. 5.3. Then this will be 56, right? Because 3. And then this is 9 greater than 0, right? So for this reason, we predict this is positive. And then how about 4, 4? 4. So 40 plus 8. 48.
That's the B.
Oh, sorry. 47. 48. We get 1 over 13, right? Positive. And also we know 1 over 13 is very small, right? Can you follow? So which means the point should be very, very close to the boundary. Even we can predict this is positive, I mean, the probability should be still close to 50%. I mean, you check here, right? 3, 4, 4. What is 4, 4 here? 4, 4. Here, right? See? This is 4, 4. So it's very close to boundary, right? Okay? So keep in mind, right? The distance tells you how confident you can predict a class, right? So keep them. That's why distance is very important.
So, for example,
Yeah.
after classifying the points, when we add these points to the data, does the line change that's separating?
So if we added a point to the data, right?
The line should change.
It depends on the point is in your margin or not.
Yeah, this point is in the margin, right?
Then yeah, to change. Yeah. But again, so here we are. I mean these are the testing points. So we have training data, testing data.
Okay.
So training data is the data you use to design the line, and then testing data is where you apply your line to the classification. So these actually are these are the 4 points that we do not know their class labels. We want to use our supported by the machine to predict their class labels. Okay? Yeah. So but in case if you want to add this to training table, yes, then but again we do not know their class label, right? Any question? Any question? So I hope now you are more confident for midterm exam, right? Great. So then how about 4, 5?
Positive.
4, 5. So this is 40, this is 50, right? 3. Positive. And we know it is a little far away, right? There's the previous point. The confidence should be higher. So when we apply classification model, right? I want to predict, right? I mean, this customer will be fraud for credit, right? Then the distance tells you how confident you can make the prediction. So it's very important. Okay? Great. So let us have a break for 10 minutes, and then we'll move to another. From now on, we'll go to more advanced techniques. So we'll resume from 7:40. Now it's 7:30.